Hi everyone, welcome back to Creating with Ali. Good to see you here. What I'm doing today is a quick review of the Calliograph pens. These came in an Archer and Olive subscription kit, but I believe they are available for purchase, and they are not calligraphy pens, they are brush lettering pens, so there is a difference here. As with most Archer and Olive product, it comes really well packaged. And if you give me a like and a subscribe, you can pop back. In a future video, I'm going to show you how I use this to create another project. So what's in the box? Well, the first thing that you'll see are 3 lettering guides. One has got a quote, then there are letters of the alphabet, and the third one are numerals and some brush strokes that you can practice. As with any form of lettering, the downward and the upward movement is very important in making the letters. In this kit, there are 5 Calliograph pens in total, and they match the colours of the other products that were in the kit for this particular month. They are nice and thick and really quite nice to hold as well in the hand. Each of the pens comes with 2 different ends. One is a smaller brush and the other is a larger brush size. This is really useful as you'll be able to use these pens for different types of projects that you might be interested in creating. As I stated before, the packaging is beautiful and the insert came easily out of this one, which made me think, ooh, what can I do with this? So yes, there are 3 guides in this kit. So I'll zoom in for a closer look. Now these are laminated, which means that you can actually use the pens over the top of these lettering guides to practice making the letters, shapes and brush strokes. It may look easy, but this type of lettering isn't easy at all, which you'll see as I practice a little bit later on in the video. So these cards are really useful. So make use of them if you are new to lettering, because it will help you in the long term to get much better at making your letters in your projects. When you have finished using the guides, just a wet paper towel is enough to wipe it clean so you can start practicing all over again. Now I tried calligraphy in the past and I found this pad in Kmart here in Australia. Now it's only worth about, I think it's between $5 and $10. And this is really good to use for practice as well. It has some slope lines. So I grabbed a page out of this and thought I'd give a little go at doing some brush lettering using this page to sort of help me and guide me along. So in order to have a little bit of a practice without the guide, I grabbed one of the markers and I started to put some ink to paper. And then I realized that out of the 5, not all are made equal. This one is actually very light in color. It's more like a highlighted color that you might use for a bit of shading around letters. So 3 out of the kit were very much like this, with 2 being a little bit more heavier in color so you could see them properly. I was a bit surprised by this because I thought all of the colors in the kit would be darker. I'd be really interested to know how you are using these lighter colors. So if you've got some hints and tips for me, please list them in the comments. I'd be really interested to hear. So this little bit of a swatch will let you know how the colours went on from this particular kit. These subscription boxes usually have newly released products or some exclusive products. So whatever you may be able to purchase on the Archer and Olive website may be quite different to these colours. These pens didn't have any list of colours either, so I can't actually tell you what they were. So once I finally got an idea of what colours I actually had and what I could use them for, I had a little bit of an attempt outside of using the guide. So I had it there to look at as I went along, and I tried to do it just eyeballing it and practicing on the paper. So this would be the next step if you were in the very beginning stages of doing lettering, which I am. I had varying degrees of success here, I must say. So I tried out most of the letters, got a little frustrated at times, but I'm going to persevere with it. I also tried to write a word. It's a little bit different if you have single letters and then you're actually trying to put them together and join them for words. So that's another layer of practice that's required. So there you have it. That is the paper pad from Anko that you'll find at Kmart, and also the brush pen guides and also the brush pens themselves. The inclusion of the guides was fantastic. And as mentioned, I really like the pens. I was just a little unsure about how to use those 3 lighter colours. I thought the 2 darker ones were fantastic as well. So again, if you have got any tips for me, pop them in the comments down below. Thanks for sticking around watching the video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you want to. And keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!